supplements to them to facilitate that. Now, one company, probably the most well-known company here in the United States, is GNC, and GNC has an affiliate program you can join. GNC markets all over, at least the United States. I haven't seen them market internationally, but it's a huge store. They have a ton of brands, and you can market them and get a cool 5% commission. Now 5% ain't that cool, but I'm gonna go over some other programs you can earn as much as 75% commission from, or $50 per sale. Let's check it out. Now, the next affiliate program is also a very well-known supplement store that sells a lot of weight loss supplements. And if you're looking to advertise big brands, you want to be affiliated with them, and you want to really take that trust from these big companies, you can also advertise Vitamin Shop. Vitamin Shop is a supplement store I personally use for all my protein powder and workout supplements, and you can earn 9% commission marketing them. So that's all right, and I'll walk you through on my computer those affiliate programs in a second, but let's get to the good stuff, right? So 50% commissions, you start getting into real money here, and you start being able to really afford yourself and get paid fairly for all of the hard work you're putting in as an independent marketer. Now, this program is a product I personally use, and I'm acquaintances. I actually interviewed in a interview series on my YouTube channel the owner of this company. It's called Organifi, and they're one of the top affiliate programs on Clickbank. Let's go on my computer and check it out. Now, here I am on Clickbank, and Clickbank is the affiliate network I use for most of my marketing. I make a few $100,000 per month marketing products on Clickbank. The first thing you're going to want to do to market this program is you will create an account and sign up with them, and then you will go over to the affiliate marketplace right here. So you'll click there and simply click Find Products. Just click this button right there, and up a couple products will pop up, the most popular products. Now you'll see Flat Belly Fix here, which is also a weight loss product, and it's not surprisingly the #1 product on the Clickbank marketplace because weight loss is just huge. Now you'll see over here a little further down on the first page is the product I personally recommend that you advertise, and that is Organifi. Now what you see is you make a cool $76 commission per sale, and all you need to do to promote it is click that promote button right there to get your affiliate link. They also have an affiliate page with lots of resources that you can use to promote them, and on their affiliate page they detail out what products you'll be marketing, which is green juice. This is the one I personally use and I recommend. They have an interview with, this is the owner of the company. Now, if you actually want to read a little bit more information about this company and about the owner and how he was able to create a 8-figure company, you can actually just go over to my YouTube channel, and once you subscribe, you'll see free marketing trainings and mini courses. And you'll see this course right here, How to Become an Entrepreneur, okay? Now this training is a series of 3 videos with Drew Canoli right here, kind of looking like a deer in the headlights. And he shows, goes over how to become an entrepreneur, how to explode your business, and why you need a mentor. So he's been a very successful guy, a lot of respect for him. Now this brings me to the 4th weight loss program, which you kind of saw already. It's called the Flat Belly Fix. Okay, now I haven't personally used this product or gone through its training. I think it's more of an e-course as opposed to Organifi, where you're actually getting a physical, the customer gets a physical product, and I use it. I think it's really cool. But Flat Belly Fix, the difference is, look at this aggressive commission structure. They pay out 75% commission for each sale, and it's also the #1 selling product on the Clickbank marketplace, selling millions and millions and millions of dollars per month. Now, if you haven't heard of Flat Belly Fix before, it's because it's not marketed in stores. It's marketed by online marketers, and they pay out $38 per sale. Now, even though they pay out less money than Organifi, keep in mind the product price itself is only about $47, whereas Organifi, you have to get the customer to commit a bit more money so that you can make those bigger commissions. But once again, this is the top selling product on Clickbank for a reason, because it just converts, and it converts like wildfire. This is a very good product if you want to get your start in marketing weight loss programs. Now, the next place you can find weight loss offers, it's actually an affiliate network called Above All Offers. Now, I apologize, it looks a little bit like I wrote Above All Otters, but it's actually Above All Offers. And you can get paid as much as $50 for each sale you refer over here. Now, what's great about this is these are actually some of the most aggressive offers that you can get, because you're getting $50 per sale, but what the customer actually has to pay is only $5. So it's much easier to get a conversion from the products on Above All Offers, but that's because they're promoting free trial offers, okay? So people are putting $5 down, but they're getting a recurring monthly charge on their credit card to have access to these weight loss supplements that you are getting. So it's kind of aggressive. Most ad networks such as Facebook and Google don't really like ads for free trial offers, because there are inherent problems. If people forget that they signed up for a free trial and they don't cancel it, they get auto-billed, and some customers don't like that. But that being said, it's not too hard to get somebody to pay $5 online, and if you can get somebody to pay $5, which is like a cup of coffee nowadays, you actually get $50. So these are very aggressive offers. Again, they're CPA offers. It's an aggressive space. You know, Facebook and Google won't accept your affiliate links for those sorts of offers, but it's a very effective place. I made millions of dollars with promoting diet or weight loss products from CPA networks years ago. That's where I had my first $3 million a year. I did $2.9 million to be exact, but I made a lot of money with weight loss offers, and that was from CPA networks. Let's head over to my computer and I'll show you. So here I am on Above All Offers, and this is kind of what the interface looks like. They're using a cake interface. If you don't know what that means, don't worry about it. But what we do here is we go over to offers right there, and we click on that, and we can actually sort by verticals. So you see they have 271 products that you can sell, and you know, they have all sorts of different products, such as, you know, keto products, you know, socks, water, etc. They have all this sort of stuff. But what we want to do is we want to go to verticals, and we want to click that little drop down button and go down here to dieting. Okay, that's our niche. Weight loss is also called the diet niche online in affiliate marketing. So what we'll see here is a bunch of products. They have weight loss products in Poland, they have products in the US, and diet booster survey. The most aggressive programs with the highest conversion rates are generally going to be trials. So you see that says trial right there. Now what trial means is that the customer only has to pay a few dollars, but on the flip side, you get a big fat commission. So if the customer only has to pay $5 and you make $50, that opens up a lot of opportunity, and you can make a lot of money if you can do that over and over again. Now here's an example of one of the landing pages for the products you would be selling on CPA networks. This is for Skolin. I don't know what that means, but it says burns belly fat, increases lean body mass, accelerates things, and they say, tell us where to send your package. Claim your free trial bottle today. In order to promote this sort of product, though, you need to use pre-sale pages. So you need to have created your own pre-sale advertorial or survey funnel to effectively get people to purchase these sorts of products online. That's how you do kind of CPA marketing. Now, if you want to sign up for any of these programs, you can Google them, or I'll try to place the links in either the description or in a pinned comment in the comment section. Now, if you learned something from this video, click like. If you are excited to promote some weight loss affiliate programs, just type in win in the comments. I'd love to see who's gonna win with weight loss. And also, if you want to see more videos on affiliate marketing and become better at this and learn this as a skill, as I said, I've made millions of dollars in this field. It's afforded me a life of, you know, being able to do what I want, travel around the world, all that sort of cool stuff. And you can subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be updated about